trends that are occurring now. But further to that, what kind of pain points are you seeing from the manufacturers that you guys are working with? What are the sort of the key challenges that they're facing?
I think, you know, lots of challenges on a number of different levels. I mean, the overarching one is still one of resource, and resource of people is predominantly, you know, we've got this massive requirement for people. We've got an even bigger requirement for the right sort of people from a skills and a training perspective. And there are lots of wasted opportunities from a governmental perspective to do with, like, the apprenticeship scheme, for instance. And so I think, you know, for me, it's the government. You know, I wish they would just basically give us a strategy, which they haven't yet done. And in giving us a strategy, just let us get on and do it. You know, because manufacturers make things.
Yes.
We make things happen.
Doers.
You know,
yeah.
we get it done. We're not asking for more money. We're just asking for politicians not to be Muppets. You know, so less of the Muppetry. Don't need any more money. Just give us more of the strategy, and we'll get on and make stuff.